Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to add friend in Discord. So let's get started. At first we need to go to Discord app. So here it is. Now we can simply add friends by tapping in this option. If this does not shows up in your interface, you can simply tap on this human-like icon in the button. So let's tap on this and here you can see a few friend suggestions. You can simply add them by clicking this icon in the right. You can also search for your friend using the username. So let's tap on this top right icon and enter the username here. And now click on send friend request. So this is it. Now when your friend accepts it, you are added as friend with the user. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.